Guys, I'm going to do a Barbie video.
No, you will have it. Take it. Take it.
Crazy Sisters.
Maybe we'll never see you again.
This one is Ellie. This one is Mary. And then we have a skirt.
That's funny. That's funny.
I have a skirt for her. So these are the two Barbies. And let's do the video. Let's just go on my dad. My dad is crazy. Okay.
You sound surprised. In fact, you almost sounded disappointed.
I remember.
What? What? Go to sleep. Now. Oh no. I'm not going to sleep until you wake up. I am waking up. You be quiet until you go to sleep. Okay, fine. Oh! Ow.
You guys don't remember that.
And everything that you said to me.
Okay, you should go to bed right now. I'm scared. You have to sleep with me. No way! Oh, you have to. If you don't, I'm gonna leave. You had to smell my farts all day. No way! Okay, fine, make the deal. 3 hours later.
Made your choice. That's okay. I guess it just wasn't meant to be.
Wait. And then when you wake up, they will see their mother. Ding dong, ding dong, ding dong, ding dong.
This is volunteering?
Plans changed, but you didn't even need to.
Sleep with her?
Oh.
Mom's here.
Sneaking out the window.
Get out the bed. Oh, Mom. Sweetheart. My name is Mariette, of course. I'm so beautiful. And also blonde hair has the two girls. They're my mostly 2 daughters. And also my son daughter. And also my husband died too. I'm so sad. Whatever, I'm gonna take off my clothes. It's too cold.
Right. You take that with me.